Welcome to dFix Excel Tutorials, your go-to channel for mastering Excel with real-world examples. From students to professionals, we simplify complex tasks and make data work for you. Let's learn, grow, and excel together. Look at this data. Messy and carelessly constructed. Can it be used for dynamic reporting? Not easily. Let's clean it up and transform it. With Flash Fill and ChatGPT, we'll mold it into something beautiful. Step 1. Create the required columns for your data. Step 2. Enter the first example for each column by separating the desired part of the data. Step 3. Place the cursor in the cell below the first entry in each column. Step 4. Use the Flash Fill feature. Press Ctrl-E or go to the Data tab and click Flash Fill. Excel will automatically populate the rest of the column based on the pattern. Step 5. Repeat Step 4 for all columns to organize your data completely. Now your data is clean and ready for use. Now let us see how ChatGPT can assist us in completing this task quickly. Step 1. Gather the required information or identify the desired structure for your data. Step 2. Type or paste this information into ChatGPT to request formulas for cleaning and organizing the data. Step 3. Copy the generated formulas and paste them into the respective cells of your datasheet. Amazingly, your data will be perfectly cleaned and ready for creating further reports. Data cleaning just got smarter and faster. With the power of Excel's Flash Fill and the brilliance of ChatGPT, transforming messy data into organized, actionable insights has never been this easy. Whether you're a professional or a student, this dynamic duo empowers you to handle even the toughest data challenges with ease. Stay tuned for more game-changing tips, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your journey to data mastery. See you in the next video.